No.
Give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Alright, we're going live in 3, 2, I'll tell you when.
Hi, I'm Noah Hackworth from the CEO of Hackworth Vacuums, and tonight at 10 p.m. we're doing the Christmas Eve vacuum test. So, first we have the Hoover Elite Energy Efficient, the Eureka Whirlwind Plus Green, the Dyson DC07 Pink, the Hoover Elite, the Hoover Bagless Twin Chamber, the Oric Excel Hill Extended Life, the Kenmore Quick Clean Bagless, and the Jerto Platinum Force Sensor. So what we're going to start with, over here. People who are watching Facebook Live, please turn down your volume. In 3, 2, 1, and... Run like the wind, Eureka! Dyson DC07 Pink. This is very loud. Turn down your volume. Oric Excel Extended Life from 2009. Now, the Kenmore Quick Clean Bagless. Okay.
Is this sawdust?
Yes. It's sawdust.
Who won?
Well, I think the Dirt Devil won.
Really?
Yeah, because you see, like, most of it's gone.
Wow. Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah. Yeah, alright everyone. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it.
Miss Lana wants to know which one won.
The Dirt Devil right there. Even though we're having problems with Dirt Devil.
You're having problems with Dirt Devil with that one. Okay, do you want to say anything to anybody else?
Well, I'm so glad you liked it, everybody. Bye, everyone. I love you. Happy New Year.